So what about Mazda? Mazda, when they came back from Japan, one of the first things they did was they launched the Mazda 3 1.5 CBU Japan for under 120,000.
That's a shocking price, right?
That was shocking because that car CBU Japan, it should be a lot higher, but they managed to do it.
And newer features.
Yes.
And then they also launched
The BT50 facelift.
pickup truck.
Yeah.
Pickup truck. Not a very popular pickup truck, but still a very good, well-built pickup truck. More for lifestyle than I think farmers
Correct. It looks a little bit upmarket lah.
Yes.
This is not your construction.
Yeah, it's got
spec
nice
car.
jewelry on it.
Yes, yes.
Basically, it's a CX-5
Like wrapping around a
pickup truck body. Yeah. So in Japan, I was shocked to see they got a small little compact hatch.
Okay.
Now, this compact hatch has got very rounded edges, very unlike previous Mazdas, has got a lot of LED lighting, a lot of digital interface on the body, even on the rear. You see the lights are like enclosed inside the rear hatch. And the car is very rounded. In fact, it looks a lot like, the Fiat 500?
Ah, yes.
That kind of design language, but bigger, rounded edges, 4-door hatch. And they said this is a concept. No. I looked at the interior, it's ready to go.
Yeah.
That exterior, maybe one or two things they might say, this one is too flamboyant. Yeah, but it's ready to go. They did not share powertrain or any detailed information. But I think that is going to be a real rocking thing. Because why? Mazda is no longer pushing very hard on the Mazda 2.
Yes.
So that could come as a new Mazda 2, maybe.
Maybe.
And with the interesting new powertrain.
Yeah.
Maybe all electric.
Possible. And it's about time we got a new CX-3. CX-3 and Mazda 2 have been around for nearly 10 years, I think. 3 or 4 facelifts in. Still going strong, but they need a successor to that.
Yes.
And you're right, I wouldn't be surprised if from concept it goes into production with minimal changes, because we saw it firsthand, the Mazda Concept Kai, which came out I think 2016 or 17. It became the Mazda 3, almost no changes.
Correct.
And nobody could believe a car like that from concept can go to production. Yeah. That's why the Mazda 3 looks so good in hatchback.
Till today.
Yeah.
Till today.
Yeah, still a beautiful looking car.
And then the CX-5, Mazda's best-selling vehicle globally, SUV, finally a brand new one. But when we saw it on the stand, we were walking past and we said, is this a new car? Because
proportion-wise, it looks so similar.
Tweaks, changes here, but then when they open the doors, boom. And this is what people who look at Chinese-made SUVs get excited. Big screen, digital interface, two-tone color, more chunkier seats and everything else. And Mazda delivered with the CX-5. They've put all that in the cabin, but they've done enough on the exterior to say this is a different vehicle if you see it on the road. But if you see it side by side with another CX-5, completely different.
Yeah.
In terms of dimensions, length, width, everything else. And that is confirmed coming to Malaysia very soon.
Wow. But that's the issue lah, because people have been waiting for the CX-5, a successor to it.
Because there's a lot of people who need to trade up. They need to trade in their old CX-5. The 5-year
warranty is coming.
Yes. And those who had it for 8-9 years?
Yeah.
Correct. So that was the Mazda stand.
Yeah. So what's next?